number 8. Sportsman electric buggy. Q2 of 3. Pancho Lopez.
Those shadows are tough. Oh, landed right on my head.
Looks like William might be. He can go detective. He's trying to find his radio, so we're going to try to find his radio.
Oh, sorry.
Get him into the next race. So 1 minute and a half worth of warm-up here. Got all our crew marshal spots. Thank you, Corbin.
"45 seconds to the start of the race. Chad Jarvis, David White, Scott Washburn, Cesar Domingos, Mark Van Wilden, Ramel Lavo, David Santana, Axel Belsa. 30 seconds to the start of the race.
All right, everybody's checking except William. They're trying to find his radio.
15 seconds to the start of the
15
race.
seconds, guys, and our loop will be live for this one.
So I got to take a little while.
Race 8 is on the track.
Less than 5.
Less than 5. All right, loop is live. As you cross the line, you're on the clock.
Oh my goodness. Help, help, help. Somebody get me. You can do it.
All right, wait for everybody to come by for lap number 1.
Four minutes left.
Yeah, that's a tough jump right there. You gotta have some speed.
For lap number 1, it's going to be Chanel LeBeau, your leader, with Axel Veloso in second, David Santana third, Chad Jarvis fourth, Mark Van Noorden in top 5 after just 1 lap. All right, so Tramell, David Santana, and Mark Van Noorden, your top 3 now, with Gallegos in 4. Pancho Lopez rounding out your top 5. Veloso 6, Washburn 7, Jarvis 8, and White 9. .230 down, 2:30 left to go for Chanel and Mark now. So Mark Van Noorden moving all the way up to the 2nd spot. And Mark is running 8 seconds behind Chanel. Come on, Mark, you can take it. Santana running 3rd, Washburn 4, and Pancho Lopez your top 3 right now. Chanel with 8 seconds on Mark. Mark with 2.5 to make it now only 3/10 on Santana. So Van Noorden going to have some company here. Santana starting to move up. Washburn right there in 4 with Lopez 5. Gallegos 6, Jarvis 7. And David now drops down. Let's see, David White running 6th, and David Santana still running in 3rd. Both Mark Van Noorden and Santana both turning their best lap of the race last time by. The fastest lap overall goes to Tramell at a 35.9.
Go Tramell. Uh-oh.
The fast lap of the last race looks like we had a couple 34s, the top two. So Travis Horn and James Spratley both turning 34s, but Horn with a 34.6 as the fastest lap. Right now with a 35.9 for Tamel, so he's over a second slower on that fast lap.
1 minute left.
So Tamel, Mark, David, Santana, Washburn. So now Santana and Washburn only 9/10 of a second apart. Track crew be ready to go. Water truck coming out after this one. Water truck coming out after this one.
45 seconds
Once again, I
left.
want to thank you all for coming out. Our final round of JBRL for our 20th season coming up next weekend. And that is the JBRL crew's last race of the season. We got nothing in November, nothing in December,
30 seconds
nothing
left.
January, February until we get to DNC in March. And so a nice little break after next week. We've been going hard. I think we're over 40 events this year.
15 seconds left.
So I get one more lap in here. Yes, I will.
All right, that's going to do it. Everybody.
Oh no, what
Until your
happened?
name is called, do not stop until your name is called. And I throw some water down.
Oh, no,
Maybe you
no,
can grab the
Yeah.
hose up top
Axel
there.
Kelso done.
We got
Chad
the one up
Jarvis
top,
done.
Caitlin. All right, good.
JBRL.
ThunderAlley. Colin Bieber is your team at a 95.2, but he is way off.
Finished my first race. We got stuff to share here. Put the camera right now.
I just finished my first race, and my battery went bad. This battery right here, I had one cell go bad, and it cut off on my last lap of qualifier round one. But I thought this guy, lucky for me, they were out of batteries. Andrew was out of batteries for shot, but Andrew had, not Andrew, sitting right next door to over here is where Alan's brake and Ron's brake are at, and they sold me this shorty, this Protect shorty for some. Give that one a try, and I'm pretty excited because that's going to move the weight all the way forward from way back here to up here. And we'll see how it handles a little different. So, anyway, we'll try my luck and we'll see what happens. Take care. Excited to be at the track today. Good luck, and hopefully we'll get higher up. I got 7th on the first round. See if I could get maybe 1 or 2 and possibly get a bump up. You never know. We'll see.
Now this is the only lap to get. No cutting the track.
David White. Anjo Lopez.
Give yourself some room. You want nobody around you when you start your football qualifying. If you're around someone, that means you're going to be in traffic.
Oh.
That means your time's going to be slower. So it doesn't matter if you're the first one to start or the last one. Everybody's on their own clock here. Watch it after those triples here in the center.
Ooh yeah. That's what I want.
All right, here we go. Loop is live for race 8.
Oh shoot. Dang it.
All right, so it looks like I have a William Orr transponder popping up. He's in the next race, just like the first round. So once we move into a different race, that's where you stay. So William, you can go ahead and pull off. You're in the next one.
4 minutes left.
Personally, the sheets that are posted never change, because those are posted at the beginning of the day, but my RC was updated during the first round and I moved you back to race number 9. And that's where you'll remain for the remainder of the qualifying anyway. So save your battery, William, because you're coming up next. So it'll be TeknoEB your leader, 3.5, make it 2.5 seconds on Mark Van Norden. David Santana running third, Washburn in 4, and Chad Jarvis top 5, David White running 6, Pancho Lopez 7, Gallegos 8, and Veloso running 9. Alright, 145 down, 3:15 left to go. For Chanel, let's see what the TQ is. Bieber with a 9.521. Right now, Chanel on a 9.536, so over 15 seconds off that TQ pace here. And Mark Van
3 minutes left.
running about 5 seconds behind Chanel in that second spot. So Chanel started this race as your 9th qualifier. He's on a run to put himself in the top 3 right here. So Travis has a 5.23 and Bieber a 5.21. Watch the center double. So Trammell has to pick up about 7 seconds to catch up to Travis Horn here. Or second on the grid. Remember, our electric mains are 10 minutes long. No double mains today because of no rookie class at the NitroExplosion. So straight up single mains for all. Coming up on 1 o'clock here, and we're halfway done. Our goal is always to try to be finished by 10 p.m.
2 minutes left.
Alright, so Trammell, Scott, Chad, Axel, and David, your top 5 mark now with a rough lap and a drop from 2nd to 6th. Pancho Lopez 7, Gallegos 8, just like 10-10 off the track after 2 laps. 1:45 to go. Next water is before 10. Race 9 coming up. Our final heat of Sportsman EBuggy up next. Alright, 3:45 down, 1:15 to go. A couple battles starting to shape up. Axel and Chad battling for 3rd and 4th. They're separated by 8/10. David right there as well. David White another second behind those two. So those are Axel, Chad, and David. 3rd, 4th, and 5th is the 3-way battle. Chanel, 1.34-second lead over Scott Washburn in this one on a 9.528. Washburn now 2nd, Veloso 3rd, Jarvis 4, White 5, Van Morgan 6, Lopez 7, Gallegos 8.
45 seconds left.
Final 45 seconds here.
Seconds left.
Okay, 1 more lap after this one. Let's see what happens.
Seconds left.
Yeah, I get 1 more lap.
All right, running out of time. Down to 5 seconds remaining in this one. All right, time has expired. Everyone keep on racing until your name is called.
Axel Veloso done. Caesar Gallegos done. Scott Washburn done. Pancho Lopez done. Mark Van Jordan done.
Yeah, baby.
3 more.
Number 2.
Hell
yeah,
Number
that'll
2.
get you in there.
Chad Jarvis
Yeah.
done.
Waiting on David and 8. 1 more to finish. Number 8.
Boom. Good luck, guys. Good luck.
All drivers are finished.
And that's a wrap.
Holden Gonzalez, Matt Murray, Jeremiah Rose, David Santana, John Edmund, David Wright, Andrew Campbell, Scott Washburn, Chad Jarvis.
I tried to hit the triple. No triple. I will not do it again. I just tried.
1 minute to the start of the race.
Yeah.
We didn't start yet.
So Corbin, you put a house transponder in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next time you got to unplug your
45
personal because it looks like the personal is still working as well. So, but I'm going to put the house on it just to make sure that this is the one that counts for you.
Thank you.
30 seconds to the start of the race. "15 seconds to the start of the race.
All right, let's go ahead and close that straightaway.
Already closed.
It's going to be Joel Navarro lining up at the 1, Matt Marvin at the 2,
Less than
Brian
five.
Lawton at the 3, John Edmond at the 4, Corbin Gonzalez at the 5, Washburn 6, Mark Van Norden 7, David Santana 8, Chad Jarvis at the 9, David White 10, Jeremiah Rose 11, and Danny Adville at the 12.
You need a rock under your...
Marshall, let's see,
no
what's that,
shit.
2, 3, 4, 5, so the 5th spot, that's Corbin. You just got to do the best you can.
Just
there,
keep the
go
brake
the
on,
fiddle,
right?
Corbin.
Yeah.
Just keep your finger on the trigger a little bit here.
That just means for a four-wheel drive.
Not the
burnout, we
ideal
take off.
grid, but it is what it is. All right, so we got our turn marshal spots covered. We are ready to go. And we got all our drivers. Here we go. For 8 minutes, the top 2 bumping up into the A main. Turn marshals, pay attention. Good luck, drivers. We're going racing at the sound of the tone.
Don't fucking... Come on.
All right, 30 seconds into this one. Race number 6 is on the track. What do we got on lap 1? Looks like Brian Lawton, Washburn in 2nd, Corbin in 3rd, David White 4th, Joel Navarro, your top 5. The Marshall's getting a workout already. This is the Sportsman
7
B
minutes
main.
left.
So the top 3 look like they've broken away. Brian, Scott, and Corbin, it appears. Unless I'm looking at the wrong list. There's Brian, there's Scott. And nope, there wasn't Corbin. It was David breaking away. So Corbin might be in the mix factory. There's Corbin. He's got 2 transponders in, but the one that we're storing is our house transponder. So his was after that in qualifying. Although his house is still plugged in, so it's still counting when it does, but as long as his scoring is accurate, we're good. All right, so 2 minutes down and 6 to go. Brian Lawton, your leader, Washburn in 2nd. There's David White in the orange running 3rd. And there is Corbin now. Corbin only 4.5 seconds behind David for 3rd. But he's still got to get all the way up to 2nd. Uh-oh, Orange Buggy's going to get it wrong. That was, I believe, David. So Corbin now in the pink and blue right behind 3rd spot in the orange. But he's got to get up to 2nd, remember. All right, 2:30 down and 5:30 left to go. Drivers, 2:30 down, 5:30 to go. Here comes the battle for 3rd onto the front side. It'll be David White and Corbin Gonzalez.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Corbin taking a tumble there. Marshall there
5
with
minutes
him.
left.
Corbin coming from Vegas with, wait. Go, thank you. All right, let's give it a full rundown. We are at 3:15 down, 4:45 to go. It's Washburn, your leader, Lawton 2nd, White 3rd, Gonzalez 4th, and Santana 5. Jeremiah Rose at 6, Matt Martin 7, John Edmund 8, Mark Van Norden 9, Danny Adville 10, Chad Jarvis 11, and Joe Navarro is 12. Also looks like Joe Navarro off the track now at this point.
Oh no!
We got 4 minutes now, 4 to go.
Oh my God, we're in cars over here.
Believe it or not, yesterday in practice we had a few guys come full throttle down the front straight and never lift and drive right into the fence because they're used to the straightaway here at ThunderAlley. The straightaway normally goes all the way up the fence line over here on the left side. So this is a rare layout here. All right, so Scott, Brian, David, and Corbin. So Santana now moving to 4 and Gonzalez down to 5.
Not Brian.
Jeremiah missed the lap. Roger. And good for the Miami. He's the white and blue, right? Roger. Okay. Alright, all 6, Jeremiah up to 4. Alright, so Washburn, Lawton, White, Rose, Santana, and Gonzalez. Now your top 6. Oregon 7, Adville 8, Norman 9, Edmund 10, and Jarvis 11. We got 5 down and 3 to go. Water truck coming out after this one.
Don't close your eyes. Oh jeez. Keep looking. Oh guys, please open my eyes. Keep. Come on. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Glory be to God. 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 Glory be to God.
Alright, so Scott now with a 2.7 second lead over Brian. Now we got a battle for the bump up. So there's David and there's Brian. So actually Scott, David, and Brian are all closing up on one another. So we got a 3-way battle for the lead with 2 minutes to go through the double triples here. Meaning the 2 triples, the downhill triple at the driver's stand, and the 90 and the triple parallel with the driver's stand. So they're coming. Jeff G and Avellino, the tech for the next race. Jeff G and Joey Avellino, the tech for the next race. All right, 6:30 down, 1:30 left to go. Wasper and White and Lawton, the 10, 9, and 8. We got a battle on the hands here. So there's Brian and David right at the loop here. So Scott, Brian, David, all those to tell. I believe it's the 2 orange buggies with the white and green right here in front of me coming to the big speed double. So Wasper in the back left corner. Brian and David up to the back left corner as well. Jeremiah still in 4. Corbin Gonzalez 5.
Oh, Marshall!
Montana 7. Asheville 8. Martin 9. Edmund 10. And Jarvis 11.
Totally took me out.
Down, 1 to go, driver.
Totally took me out.
Truck will be ready. Water truck coming out next. Thank you. Everybody gone through tech for race 7. That's intermediate Nitro Buggy B main. 12 minutes.
45 seconds left. Seconds left.
30 seconds, driver. 30 seconds. So Brian and David lead the battle. A second and a half apart. Needs to be coming down the front side. There's Brian, there's David. What happened to Scott? Scott was leading the whole time. Looks like Scott had a 44-second lap time. Not the last time, but the lap before that. Scott was third. Time has expired. So Brian, David, and Scott, this is the lap right here. Corbin gonna have to settle for 4th. But all your laps are counted, Corbin, so that's good. And don't forget, Amber, if you can take that hand spotter back over to Tech or Corbin. Finish the lap you're on. Water truck, be ready.
Matt Martin is right. Ryan Lawton is right. Nathan Mark right. Matt Baxter is right.
Oh, sorry.
Robbie Evans is right.
Waiting on 7, one more to finish. Waiting on the 7, Marshall. Waiting on the number 7.
All drivers are
And
right.
that's the race. Everybody is done. So it'll be Brian Lawton and David White bumping up into
Oh, well. I messed up a little bit on my. There you go.